What is up, everybody? My name is Javi, and in this channel I'm basically gonna be doing a bunch of random fixes, like fixing some things in my house and also fixing some things on some of my vehicles that I have, or it could be somebody else's vehicle. Who knows? I'm just gonna be doing it all. Let's get started. I'm doing this repair on my 2011 Honda Fit. So I have low washer fluid pressure. Taking off the rear spoiler is easy. Just remove the covers on top of the spoiler and remove the two 10mm bolts and pull off the spoiler. Pull off the washer nozzle and release the hose from the nozzle. I thought my main issue was the washer nozzle. But I was wrong. This is a one-way valve and I got no pressure going one way, so I'm gonna get an air hose and try to blow it through and see what happens. So what I ended up doing is taking the drill bit. I kind of poked in there to see if there's anything clogged. I found something very odd. Bro. More. So let's see how this works now. I'm gonna put this guy back in there. Now that I have a good flow of washer fluid, let's go ahead and reinstall the washer nozzle. Since everything is running smoothly, let's reinstall the spoiler. In the beginning, I really didn't need to remove the spoiler. All I had to do was open up the hatch and check that one-way valve. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell to receive notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching.